Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you so many things, guys. So many things. The first thing I want to show you is a breakdown of my two trades, that one of them was loss and the other one was winner on EURUSD and gold on my FTMO account. And also I want to show you our brand new $5,000 account, which is real, not demo, that we installed it on actually Gold EA Incubator. So I want to show you that one as well. So right now I'm on $1,000 account on my FX book, on a $1,000 account that we installed on the Gold EA Incubator. As you can see, we installed this account in March 7th and today's date is May 5th. So almost 60 days, 2 months, we've been able to gain over 113% in profit on a $1,000 account, which is almost $1,092. We also had a $100 withdrawal. We are going to have another one soon. So this is our $2,000 account. As you can see right here, 6.41% in profit in April 25th all the way to May 5th, 6.41%. All the links are available on our Telegram channel, guys. I highly recommend you to join it. The link is down below in the description. And the last one is our brand new account on $5,000. As you can see here, it's real, and we gained 1.24% last night. So it's actually showing April 28th, but the first trading day was last night, May 5th, which is actually today. So, and this is my FTMO account, which is brand new on 20,000 pounds, and I actually ended up losing 18 pounds, and today is NFP. So I didn't bother it, guys. I lost almost 350 pounds on gold, and then it kind of compensated that with EURUSD. I could have closed the day with profit, but I just wanted to close it as soon as possible. I want to show you how I did it exactly, but 18 pounds compared to 20,000 pounds is nothing, and it's still not hurting my trading, and it's actually close to 5%. So let's start with gold, guys. So I want to show you why I got stopped out here on gold, and what exactly it happened. Did I make a mistake or it just happened? What exactly happened? It's a very interesting trade, because I actually didn't regret taking this trade, because in my opinion, in my analysis, I didn't do anything wrong regarding the trend, the high probability order block, and also the entry. Everything looked good, but there was something that kind of caught my attention, and I learned the lesson from it. So gold was right here. So let me show you exactly how I ended up taking this trade. 8:35 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. I know that the trend is upward, and then we have multiple breakout structures towards upwards, and then we have higher highs and higher lows. So this means that the trend of the market is uptrend, and we have multiple breakout structures. So I know that the trend of the market is bullish, and also in 15-minute time frame we can see that really clearly. But what caught my attention was this high probability order block right here. See this gap here, which is kind of filled right now, but there was a high probability supply zone on 5-minute time frame that I actually noticed, and I kind of drew it with my rectangle tool on trading view, which was this one right here. See, guys, this one here, this is a gap. This is a high probability supply zone, and the reason is that after this candle dropped, the next candle never tapped into this zone. So there's a gap between this candle and this zone here. So what I can do is I can extend it to the right, and then I can reset my chart so you can see how much it left to tap into this zone. So I was just waiting. I didn't have any problem. I knew that I have my high probability order block right here, from here to here, and then I'm going to so extend to the right, and I was waiting, and then the second one, I actually woke up when the price was here. So I specified, I actually drew this rectangle here and this one right here. So I knew I have two high probability demand zone. But the mistake I made was, because when you have two high probability demand zones or two high probability supply zones back to back with a very close space, like very not too much, like they're not too far from each other, then there's most likely that you get stopped out on the first one, because it's kind of willing to go for the second one, and then it probably reverse. We don't know. So in this case, what I did, I was waiting for the price to tap into this level, because I know for sure it was a high probability demand zone, and I was waiting for the price to tap into this level, and I could get my second entry. So when this candle tapped into my level, tapped into my zone, I noticed that the buyers pushed the price towards upside and the candle closed like that, which I really liked. I said, okay, it probably doesn't, it probably is not going to tap into this level. So I can actually put my buy stop here and set my stop loss here and my TP somewhere around here, so it actually didn't tap. So I knew that this is our zone. I know that this candle never tapped into the zone, but in MT4 in my trading terminal, it was showing that this candle literally tapped into this zone, but on TradingView it didn't show that. So that's why I was like, okay, so you know what, TradingView is showing that it's not still tapped into this zone, so there's no point to short it, but at the same time we had good momentums to sell the market. But since we had an uptrend, high probability demand zone, and a good confirmation and a good candle, I just decided to do that. So two mistakes. The first one, I didn't pay attention to MT4 like I did, but I just kind of neglected it because I was kind of making my decision based on TradingView. And also, we also have this one right here. So this high probability demand zone is most likely to get tapped into because they're so close to each other. So I put my buy stop here. It actually got triggered. I had my stop loss somewhere around here and my TP here, and then boom, I got stopped out. I got to stop that right here. So this one is invalid. Now I was waiting for this one to see if it's going to give us any confirmation here, but it actually didn't. So at the same time, it created this high probability supply zone here. In MT4, this one was already tapped, but I didn't remove it because it wasn't still tapped in my TradingView. And then as you can see, this one got invalid too. So this is when I stopped watching gold and I started looking at EURUSD. So EURUSD was a really good one. So EURUSD was here. I actually took my trade here. I could have just literally left it all the way to here, which would be almost 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trade, but it just closed it here manually. So I closed it somewhere around here manually. So that's why I like, if I close it all the way to here, you know, I would have been ended up with profits for today. But let me show you exactly what happened. So for EURUSD, that was gold. I noticed that we have this high probability order block right here. So I actually missed a trade on EURUSD. It was a beautiful buy, but I was kind of focused on gold. That's why I missed this one, and I took a sell position here. So let me show you exactly what happened. This is exactly what happened. This is a high probability demand zone. It's clear that this is a high probability demand zone, and the price literally tapped into this level, and then it came down, and then it went up again. And right here, it would be a really good one to take it. So if you wanted to take your buy position from here to here and your stop loss here, see, it would be a beautiful 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade. Or if you wanted to take it up to here, it would have been a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade, which was absolutely beautiful because you know that this is a high probability demand zone. And then from now on, you just need to pay attention to the confirmations, to the candles, to see how they want to close and give you a strong confirmation. So I know a lot of people took their position here, their buy position here, and their stop loss here, and their TP, I don't know, doesn't matter, somewhere around here, 1-to-1 risk, let's say, and then they immediately got stopped out. So the one reason is that your demand zone is super wide. So the price literally has so much space, and it can maintain the validity of the high probability demand zone and just go up again. So what I mean by that is that because we have so much space on our demand zone, so what might happen is that the price can go all the way down here without invalidating the zone and then suddenly goes up. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm saying. If you want to take your buy position here, your stop loss should be somewhere around here, which is not really worth it. So but in this case, because since we have this candle right here, then you could have taken a buy position, which would be more likely to smash TP. But again, it didn't give up. It came down, it came down, it came down, and then after that it just kept coming down. So from now on, I knew that it's not gonna go up again because it's kind of weak. It doesn't have enough strength. So if you wanted to take a buy position, you know, you could have just risked it here from here to here. But I actually took a sell position because I noticed that it created a high probability demand zone. So this is when I take it. So when the price was here, I noticed that it's started creating a high probability supply zone here. So I kind of neglected that demand zone because I knew that it was almost over. It didn't have enough strength to go up further, and then it literally tapped into our zone and filled it. So this candle caught my attention. This candle caught my attention because this is a huge push from sellers towards downside. So what I did, I wish I put my sell stop here, but I actually put it here, and my stop loss was here. It was so close to hit my stop loss, guys, so close. And then I wanted to put my TP somewhere out here. So I wanted to actually put it here, but I said, okay, because I had a loss before that, I just wanted to kind of compensate that and not necessarily be a winning day. But being a break even is way better than losing, guys. Even if you don't win and you're just break even, it's actually a win. So this one caught my attention. I wanted to actually, as I said, put my sell stop here, but I put it here just to be way safer. And then what happened was, it literally one candle after that hit my entry. It triggered that, and then it went up, and my stop loss was let me see. Yeah, my stop loss was right here. I think it was right here. My stop loss was right here, and this candle was about to actually hit my stop loss, and then I just left it, and it literally tapped my TP. So if I wanted to leave it, it would be almost wait a minute, I actually didn't take the trade here. I think I did it somewhere around here. Yeah, it was right here. My entry was here because of the spread and everything. So 1 to 37, something like that. But I wish I didn't touch it, so I could actually take it all the way down here, but that's totally fine, guys. It is what it is. You know, it's really hard to take like until the end of it, because you just want to be safe at the same time, but don't close it too early. So you got to be somewhere in the middle, and this is what happened after that, and it just kept coming down and then coming down. So right now the price is here, and then I'm not going to trade it because it's already out of my trading hours. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments here if you have any question regarding my manual trading or even Gold EA Incubator. And before you go, let me show you the results on my VPS account as well. As you can see, this is a live account, and this is the account history, and these are all the trades that this robot took during London session in the past 24 hours. And as you know, we are up $117 since May 1st. So these are all the results here. Okay, $1,992, and it is actually verified as well. So again, you know what to do, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.